I've extracted the camera firmware from the March 2017 firmware update. I've changed the camera firmware to firmware.bin, copied it to an SD card, and now that card is in the camera. So we're going to power it on and watch the LED on the camera to see what happens. Camera is powered on. Flashed between red and green when it started. Now it's flashing purple. LED is out. We're allowing some extra time here for the camera to complete its firmware installation. See, the camera is still powered on. Okay, we've waited several minutes, so we'll power off the Typhoon H. Camera goes limp. The card is still in the camera, so we'll power on again. Camera is powered on. LED is white. LED is red. It's flashing green. Solid green. Have the camera display on the ST16 now. It appears that the firmware update has completed. We'll power off the H, we'll remove the SD card, and we'll power back up again and make sure that the camera is working properly. Okay, camera is powered on, flashing green and red. There's no SD card in the camera. And now I have the camera view on the ST16. So it appears to be functional. I checked the SD card after I removed it from the camera, and the firmware.bin file has been erased from the card. So apparently it erases after the firmware's been installed.